will learn about the addition of two numbers based on printf, scanf. Here adding of two numbers. First of all, we will declare documentation section. Program on adding of two numbers. Here hash include stdio.h main void open parenthesis open breaks, and next here I will describe it int. Here int is a data type. Int can store here int a comma b comma total, and I will write printf a value is, here scanf %d ampersand a. Here printf a value is and scanf %d ampersand a. Here a value, what will give the a value? It will store in the ampersand a and will show in the output as what the scanf a value is given. And next printf b value is in scanf %d ampersand b. And now we will see the logic here. Here adding of two numbers, a equal to 10 for example, b is equal to 30. Here total equal to a plus b 40. Here total equal to a plus b semicolon. In the C language, for conditional statements only the semicolons are not needed. In the other statements, all at the end of the statement we have to give must and should, we have to give the semicolon. Printf total is %d, here total, and next end of the program. And we'll see the output here. Output here printf a value is I'll write 10, and scanf here printf what the question marks in between the question marks, the printf will be printed the statement what క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ మధ్యలో ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ప్రింట్ఎఫ్లో ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ మధ్యలో ఉన్నది మాత్రమే ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్కాన్ఎఫ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే స్కాన్ఎఫ్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఇన్పుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది కీబోర్డ్. ఇప్పుడు 10 మనం ఎలా ఎంటర్ చేస్తాం, కీబోర్డ్ నుంచి ఇన్పుట్ కదా, ఇది ఇన్పుట్ నుంచి ఇది 10 అనేది కీబోర్డ్ నుంచి ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చాం మనం సిస్టమ్కి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రింట్ఎఫ్ బి వాల్యూ ఈజ్ give 30. Scanf next total equal to a, what the a value 10 plus b value 30, total 40. And printf total is percentage d and total value how much 40. ఇది అవుట్పుట్. So here addition of two numbers we'll see in the terminal. First we'll declare documentation section. Hash include stdio.h. Next we'll declare main function. In that int also will give. Next open brace int a comma b comma total and semicolon must be given. Next I'll print the value. Print a value is. Next scanf percentage d ampersand a. Next printf b value is. Scanf percentage d percentage b. Here total what? Total equal to a plus b semicolon and printf total value is percentage d total, and last at the end of the program close the brace and we'll see the output here. Function main here void, and I will enter a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. The total value is 30. A plus b, 10 plus 20 equal to 30. And we'll see other example. L 12 and b value is 12 or 13. Total value is 25. Similarly here total equal to at the 10th line total equal to a minus b. For subtraction a minus b, run. What the a value here? Will give a value 10 and b value 20 and minus 10, and here multiplication. In the 10th line I will change total equal to a into b for the multiplication. A value is 12 and b value is 2 and here the 24, and I will change here division. A value is 10 and b value is 20. See the output 0. Something is going on, and we'll check here. Give here